Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to add text to Wix website. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. To add a text here on your Wix website, what you can do is just click on a section, and then what you need to do is click on the plus icon here on the upper right corner or upper left corner rather of the screen. Or you can also add a section where it automatically provides you an area where you will be able to add a text. You can simply just drag and drop that, and then it will now be added into your website. Another thing here is that you can actually click on this plus icon that's on the upper left corner of the screen. When you click on it, you will have the option to have a lot of tools to be incorporated into your site. So here you can actually edit the um, text that are in your section, but you can also add elements here or click on the add elements. That's a plus icon as I mentioned earlier. Just click on text, and then you have the option either use a theme text, a title, or a paragraph. So you can definitely choose depending on what you'd like to incorporate into your website. So let's say we will be adding this type of text here is one of the paragraph. You can just simply just drag and move it around depending on where you'd like to place the paragraph for your website. So here what you can do is you can just click on change text, or you can change the design as well. When you click on change text here, you will be able to edit the details that are incorporated into your text. Here, so you can simply highlight everything and then just type in these information, and you can even incorporate a link into the text box as well, or into the paragraph that you're creating. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to add a text on your website. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.